in the bleak midwinter, or even in deepest, darkest winter, January is still beautiful. Nature is asleep, is regenerating for the rebirth in the spring. Similarly, a lot of people are asleep at the moment. I think the difference is that when nature wakes up in March and April, it will create, it will renew, it will be reborn, and it will manifest something magnificent. Whereas when the sleeping masses wake up, what will they emerge into? And what will they have created? Or will they suddenly realise that they haven't created? They have destroyed their freedoms, destroyed their lives, destroyed all of our lives. And they'll realise they've woken up into a living nightmare. I feel really, really lucky to have such gorgeous countryside on my doorstep that I can immerse myself in whenever I want, and I do every day. In fact, I think it was point 7 on my recent video, 8 tips to thrive in lockdown, was get out in nature. And I think it's because you feel like you're part of something much bigger than yourself. It's tangible, and it completes the connection that I certainly need to have in my life to nature. The connection between human beings and nature, and to think this tree here, this tree, probably been here for hundreds of years. All of the animals that roam around these parts and the plants, they were here before us. This is theirs. We're just the gatekeepers, and we should appreciate what we've got. We should cherish nature and learn from it, especially how nature harmonises and thrives. Effortlessly. It's bountiful, and then it goes to sleep and it regenerates, and then it springs forth anew again every single year. And not only do we human beings as societies in the modern world, not only are we constantly in conflict with each other, but I think we've lost that symbiotic relationship with nature to a large degree. We really do. But one thing the government can't control, they can't control the weather, and they can't control nature. So despite living in a time of momentous change, where I am now and what I'm seeing has been like this for hundreds, thousands, millions of years. And I can not only immerse myself in it, but learn from it, feel a connection to it. There's no masked up zombies out here. no monsters lecturing me for living my life how I want to live my life. There's no fear out here. There's no paranoia. Just beauty, that's all there is. Tranquility, quiet, peace. So for anyone who's struggling and maybe has a bit of green space, or even better, glorious countryside like me, definitely get out, now's the time. It'll keep you sane, it'll reinvigorate you, it'll make you realise that life is definitely still worth living. Okay, please remember to subscribe if you like my content, hit the notifications bell. Let me know what you think, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.